Good morning, guys. Good morning. Another beautiful day, man. Give God the glory. Yeah, I just ain't too long wake up, man. You can tell by my face, right? Alright, guys. So today we're gonna do some electrical work. Um, do some electrical work today. I got this. Got to connect it. That's a little mini computer. So the gauges and stuff can work. I got the new tracker sensor for the gas pedal. This the whole wire, and this the whole one. All right. That's the whole one. There's a new wire right here. So this is going to connect like that. These two gonna go to the harness. What I'm gonna make up today. You have the male. You have the male section, and you got the female section. I get this online. Make life so easier. So what you're gonna do, you place these over the wire, and if you take a good look, you guys can see this. He already have the solder inside. So, and it's a water resistant. So the only thing you need, guys, you don't need no solder gun, no solder, and a whole lot of mess shit. The only thing you need is a solder, is a heater, a heat gun. Alright, that's the only thing you need, the heat gun. And you just heat it. I do want just to see how it's gonna look, and this is how it look. This is how it's gonna look. So you come from this. Let me show you. Come from that to this. So everything like melt together and hold those wires back in place. Yes, guys. So that's my plan for today, man. These are all the wires right here. All the wires right here. I have to connect up together. Yep, everything is apart, man. But everything gonna go back together, guys. So, guys, that's it for today, man. You know, when I saw the song, I'm gonna make back a clip. I'm gonna show you guys as much as possible. All right, guys. I will be back.